Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Now that we have understood at a high level what functions or methods are, we are going to write our own methods. But before we start, I would like you to do a quick recap of why do we really need function once again. As a developer, you have two situations. One in which you write your program from scratch, and then sometimes when you write where you are maintaining an existing code. In both of these cases, you need to build the ability to refactor a code, especially somebody else's code, to identify areas which can be converted into function. Because when you use function, you are creating a smaller component or pieces which is very easy and which is easy to maintain in future, rather than writing one lengthy program and repeating the same block of code in multiple places, right? So whole idea again of the function is, take this example where we are saying enter the name of your friend, then we are saying welcome to that friend, asking the next friend and saying welcome to him, asking next and welcoming him. The whole idea of, if you look at the steps that we are repeating, that we are asking for the name and then we are printing and saying hello. These three lines of code is kind of repeated everywhere. If you notice it here, these three lines, then you have 3 lines here and 3 lines here, right? 9 lines of code that we are repeating it. So what we are going to do now is to refactor this and identify a candidate for a function, identify the code block that we are repeating it and create a function out of that. So what did we do here? We wrote a function, a simple function that is going to simply greet our friend. And we ask the friend name, we ask the name of the friend, and we simply call the name of the friend. And again, what I have not done here is the creating a loop. When we create a loop, and we can call this function inside the loop, and that way the greeting of the friend is going to be part of the function. Now what does this do? This function takes the name of the friend and simply prints a message. That way we don't have to repeat this line multiple places. Second advantage is that in future, suppose we realize that we found a mistake and we should have put a space here, and you can see that we did not put a space in this case, right? Put a space here. I don't have to go and change multiple places like here. Everywhere I don't have to go and make the change, because I realize that the mistake here, and mistake here. Now rather than changing 3 lines, I have to change only 1 line. The code is centralized. As you can see here, from these many lines, once we identify, we say let's create a function and we'll get rid of all the repetitive lines and simply call the function wherever we need. That's the beauty and power of function. Let me erase this. So going forward, in next few more classes, we will do some basic and easy practice on writing a function, identifying the need of a function, identifying the input, identifying the output, and returning a value, calling the function, and all of that part. Stay tuned. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to like the YouTube channel. In case you don't want to go through all this practice, you can, in future, if you want to do a quick recap, you can always go back to the YouTube and review these videos. Thank you. See you guys in the next class. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.